Thanks for watching the video and here is sister. So yes, there's a good news for all of us. Those of us who has been tapping and tapping and tapping on Telegram. Don't ask me what I'm doing. I'm still tapping. Someone will say I'm mining, bro. I'm cashing out. Yes, on Tapswap AI. And this is the good information for those of you who have been tapping. For me, I was unable to do the tapping. So yes, but this is the listing date according to Bybit. Bybit is a crypto platform that you can do your transaction in cryptocurrencies and all those things right there. And they are saying that they will be listing Tapswap soon. And the date is, but before that, if you don't like the video, subscribe. No, like the video and subscribe for more videos right here on this platform. So if in case you don't have a Bybit account, because that's where you'll be cashing out your coins, okay, your amount from the Tapswap AI to Bybit. Then you can withdraw from there through your account to the other bank account or your Momo or any account. Okay, so if you want to know how you can create a Bybit account, not just creating a Bybit account, creating a verified one, because with verified one, that's when you can use your account for transaction, save transactions. So if you have you have a Bybit account and then you haven't verified it, just watch the video. Check in the comment section description of the video. I have a link there. Watch it and then know how you can create a verified one or verify your account as well. So if you are new, just like the video and then let me tell you something about the Tapswap AI and then the listing date. Okay, so according to Bybit, okay, Bybit line on X. This is what they posted, and according to them, Tapswap AI will be listed on July 1st. So 1st July 2024, that's when they will be listing Tapswap AI on their platform. So just get your Bybit accounts ready to be cashing out on their platform. Right now, I haven't heard anything from Binance right now. So if in case I get any updates from Binance, I will let you know. Binance and then Bybit, they are two different platforms, two different cryptocurrency platforms. So just stay tuned. I will update you anytime you need to know. I will let you know right here on this platform. So keep tapping because it will make money very soon on 1st July. Like the video and subscribe and let me know your thoughts. How much do you have in your tap swap right now? I have, for me, I wasn't tapping that much, but I have some small coins in my account. But let me know how much do you have right now. Leave it in the comment section, or the yes, leave it in the comment section. And then with the verification of your Bybit account and creation of your Bybit account, check in the comment section description of the video for that one as well. Stay alive and bye for now.